what's up? Today we're gonna play Samantha, shut up. Yes. Okay, anyway guys, ignore her. Today we're gonna be playing Movie Star Planet, and it's my channel. As you can see, I got 2 messages. Oh my god. Seriously, like I hate when a laptop freezes and I'm maybe go away because you have a MacBook Air, and guess what? You're lame. Go away. No. Stop. Okay. 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 Oh. Like, just texting and all, like, Hey! Great. Bailey MSP. Don't got a clue. Don't. Oh, yes, I know. Oh, yeah, I got in contact with her and I said I'm a huge fan of your YouTube. And guess what she said? No. It was on Movie Star Planet once. Remember I told you? She actually added me and texted me and said, Hi, Katie, or something like that. Wow. What's orbit dress? Oh my god, she's having a heart attack, guys. Okay, guys, okay. I can't really check right now because, like, I will give you but I can't really go into it while I'm recording because they will, yeah, so I can't really, and you'll give out then, so yeah, because it's like I don't really want, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna ask her, do you know? Is this just gonna load? Can I give her one? Guys, you can add me if you want, if you're like, Yeah, and if you're not a fan. No, yes, add me if you are a fan or if you're not a fan. Go away. She's a fan of my YouTube. Great. That's my laptop is like frozen. I remember Derpy Cookie, Samantha. Oh my god, this is like, okay guys, just 1 second. I am going, why am I going into YouTube? I mean, Movie Star Planet. Guys, I actually really need to, like, start, like, yeah. And I might record all day and all night. So yeah. See what I mean? This is like so freaking hard. Like, I hate when, yeah, I might do it all day. Will I record all day, Samantha? Except like I've like 14 subscribers, and she has more than me. Cause I, I think it's cause you started before me. Oh, you just probably like. Cause you're a good YouTuber. I'm a bad YouTuber. I am. Don't lie. I am. Guys, comment below if you think whoever thinks I'm a good YouTuber. Okay. Samantha just has to go for a second. So yeah. I think she's coming back now. Three messages. Okay, guys, I need to check did I get any gifts. Okay, go to gifts. No. And I did not pick that animation. Oh, it's my animation. There. Just loading. No, she won't do that.
Okay, let's go in here. Thanks for the autos. Okay, let's do this now. Well done, claim your rewards. So let's see now. Hi, I'm just, you know the activities up at the top? And you know, there's like, say online videos are super, you know, like them. Like, you know, the activities you have to do and all. I'm doing them. Online videos are super awesome. Go check YouTube and MSP. Okay, guys, you have to check out MS. Go click a YouTube at the icon top this. Who? Check out a video. That's why is it not? I'm pressing love it and it's not working. What do you mean? What Irish one? Is it the one with I had VIP on? Lads, how many freaking videos do I have to find to like, to love it? It's just said find a cool video and love it. Yeah, whatever. I don't know what to do. Yeah, whatever. What level does it say? Oh. I know. And I got hacked. There's like, I can't really say it. It's, do you know the normal password I had? That password. Oh. Just like, guys, I'm gonna end this video. I'll do it later. I'll, like, you know, record later. Yeah.